Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. Today I'm going to be baking 16 low-fat chocolate brownies. What you will need: 85 grams of self-raising flour, 40 grams of cocoa powder, 175 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of low-fat vanilla yogurt, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1.5 tablespoons of oil and 25 grams of chopped walnuts. First, sift the flour and cocoa into a bowl and mix together. Now add in your caster sugar and chopped walnuts and mix together. Add in your vanilla essence and oil and mix it together. Add in your yogurt and mix in well. Now, crack in your eggs in one at a time and then mix until it's well combined. Now pour your mixture into a square tin or silicone mould and use the back of the spoon to even out the mixture. Once cooled, cut into 16 square brownies. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my Instagram, like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell.